In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the @everyone tag on Discord. Discord, a platform beloved by gamers and professionals alike for its robust communication features, sometimes requires a bit of navigation to customize it to your needs. One such feature that can sometimes be more of a hindrance than a help is the @everyone tag. This feature allows anyone in a server to notify every single member of the server, which can lead to a lot of unnecessary notifications and distraction. If you're a server admin or have those permissions and you're looking to disable this feature, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Discord website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in discord.com or simply searching for Discord. Once the page has loaded, you'll be presented with the home screen, where you can proceed to log in. Logging in is a straightforward process. You click on the login button and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Discord account. Make sure to enter these details correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, you'll click the login button. If your details are correct, you'll be taken to Discord's home screen, where you can access all of Discord's features, including your personal account settings and server settings. Now, finding your way to the server settings is your next step. Look on the left-hand side of the Discord interface to find the server where you want to disable the @everyone tag. You'll see the name of the server at the top of your screen. Below the server name, you'll find several channel options. Locate the settings icon, often represented by a gear next to the channel name, and click on it. This will take you to the Edit Channel section. In the Edit Channel section, there's a lot you can do, but for now, focus on the left-hand menu. Click on Permissions to expand the section where you can manage who gets to do what in your server. In this area, you're looking to adjust roles and what they're able to do. And more specifically, you're targeting the default permissions. Among the options in default permissions, there's a particular setting for the @everyone tag. This is generally enabled by default because it's designed to allow anyone and everyone in your server to tag all members with the @everyone tag. However, it can lead to notification overload if used too frequently. To disable it, you'll click on this setting, toggling it off. This action will prevent members from using @everyone unselectively, fostering a more serene server environment. After you've toggled this setting off, take a moment to double check that your changes have been saved. Discord usually saves changes automatically, but a quick look won't hurt. With that done, you can exit the settings menu and return to the main dashboard of Discord. Disabling the @everyone mention may seem like a small change, but it can significantly affect your server's notification etiquette, making it more pleasant for everyone involved. This way, notifications become more meaningful, and users are less likely to be bombarded with messages at all hours. Remember, communication on your server doesn't have to suffer because you've disabled the @everyone tag. Discord offers a plethora of ways to reach out to members individually or in specific roles, ensuring your messages are still heard by the right people at the right time. You can create custom roles with specific permissions, allowing for targeted messaging without overwhelming everyone. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to disable the @everyone tag on Discord. Whether you're running a server for gaming, work, or just a group of friends, managing notifications is crucial for maintaining a positive and productive environment. Thank you for following along, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your digital tools. Stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.